Hello everyone to one another video in my series here, and you can see that today we are gonna discuss about stock market again. And today we are gonna discuss about green candle and the red candle, specifically the basics of the chart, absolute basics of the chart. And today it's gonna be an exciting one, as we are gonna start by checking out three stocks. Firstly, let me share my screen here. The first chart is about to begin. Yeah, here it is. Craftsman Automation. It was there. Its IPO was done in the March month of 2021, when it was trading around 1400 rupees, and then it started a very big uptrend, and you can see here now it is trading at around 6000 rupees in just 3 years. And this was a big jump in its price. Three and a half years went by, and the stock was rising and rising and rising. So what I'm going to discuss now is the red candle and green candle, basics of chart. And you can see here, this is the green body, the red body, there's the shadow here, and there's the upper shadow here, lower shadow and upper shadow. Again, the red candle here, the upper shadow and the lower shadow here. And the green candle suggests that the stock price is going up, and the red candle is suggesting that it is going down, this price is going down. And now you can see that it is opening here, closing here, making a high of this and low of this. This candle is made up of two parts, the body and the shadows. The upper part here, it is the high part. See this, you can see here this part, and this is the low, and it is the lowest part, and it is lowest price. The open here and close here, since it is a green candle. Same for the red candle, just the opposite, open and close. Here open, it is closed here, and it is opened here. So making a high of this, high and low remains the same. And this is how we read a chart, read red candle and green candle. So now you can see that Craftsman Automation has been in an uptrend since its IPO in 2021, and it has been a big IPO, and it is currently trading at around 6000 rupees, which is a big jump. Next stock I'm going to talk about is LIC Housing Finance, and this stock is again a very good buy, and I think I bought this for a client, and it is performing really well currently. Not performing really well actually, to be honest, in the short run, but since the June month of 2023 it was in an uptrend. You can see here, since June it was going in an uptrend, and now it has plummeted a little bit of a correction is there, but I think in the long run it is going to perform well, and this is a very big opportunity in this stock. So the next stock is ICICI Lombard, and you can see that it is in an uptrend again. See the red candles and the green candles. There are more green candles in the uptrend, and in the red candle here it is in the month of September it is a red candle. Before that it was a green candle in August. Then before that, July, it was again a green candle. Again in June it was a green candle. So it was again in February of 2024 it was a green candle, then red, then green, then red, and green again, so on and so forth. So this is how we read the charts, and it's very simple, reading charts. And making money is also easy in the stock market, but you need a coach sometimes. You need to understand, to go with the experience of someone is very interesting, and it is really like having someone. Getting a coach is a very good solution for this stock market investment. You can help yourself out by getting a coach. You can book a one-on-one call with me. You can see a mobile number in my description here. You can contact me there. Thank you very much. See you.